Hi! In front of me is VIVO Y21s, and today I would like to show you how you can manage location of this VIVO. You need to begin by accessing Tab menu. Now look for Location shortcut, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see in this pop-up, to disable location you need to choose close. To turn it on though, choose turn on location. I want to disable it, so I need to click on close. And when I go back, as you can see, location of my VIVO is now off. You can always turn it back on by choosing the same shortcut again. If you want to, you can also access settings. Scroll down and click on Location section. Lastly, click on this switcher at the top to turn it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!